Want a more natural cleaner for your kitchen, bathroom, and other areas around the house? In this video, we'll show you how to make your own all-purpose cleaner for most of your cleaning needs with items you may already have at home. First, start with an empty spray bottle. Fill it with 1 cup of distilled or filtered water. Next, add a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. Then, add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. This next step is optional. We like to use the combination of 3 essential oil scents. Add 3 to 5 drops of lemongrass oil. Then, add 3 to 5 drops of lavender oil. Finally, add 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil. You can always adjust the amounts or scents to your preference. Now, replace the spray top and give it a nice shake before each use. Unlike with using vinegar, this mix won't damage your granite and stone surfaces and works great on most non-porous surfaces. We do suggest pairing it with a clean microfiber cloth for a nice streak-free finish. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.